MotoCity Powersports was invited out to the all-new 2023 Teryx KRX 1000 launch. This new vehicle features not only 4 seats, but it also has Fox 2.5 Podium LSC shocks with piggyback reservoir. It features a Warn VRX 45 PowerPort winch. It has a KQR sport roof, a multifunction digital display, a large volume, continuously variable transmission with centrifugal clutch and high quality belt. It features on-the-fly electronically selectable four-wheel drive and front differential lock. It comes in rolling on 31-inch tires with 15-inch aluminum wheels. And the large diameter hydraulic disc brakes get this thing stopping on a dime. This new 2023 KRX 1000 SE comes in at $27,499. Also available is the Teryx KRX 1000 ES, which features Fox 2.5 live valve internal bypass shocks, Kawasaki's electronic control suspension, selectable 3-mode semi-active dampening control, and 7-inch high-grade full-color TFT instrumentation with smartphone connectivity. And a third model for 2023 is the Teryx KRX 1000 ES Special Edition. This vehicle features Fox 2.5 live valve internal bypass shocks, Kawasaki's electronic control suspension system, selectable 3-mode semi-active damping control, 7-inch high-grade full-color TFT instrumentation with smartphone connectivity, high-grade high-phonics Bluetooth AM/FM audio system, a Warn VRX 45 PowerPort winch, the KQR sport roof, and special edition graphics. Now let's take a quick walk around this unit without any of its plastic skins on. You can see that this vehicle has been extremely well made and is very, very robust. Now let's have John jump into the back seat so we can see just how much room the passenger has. As can be seen in these images, there is lots of leg room for the passengers, and that O-ship bar looks pretty sturdy. Now let's take a second to hear what Jeremy McGrath, the King, has to say about this new Teryx KRX 4.
It's John Jenkins here from MotoCity. I'm here with Jeremy McGrath, the King. I have a KRX, love it. I know you have one. You race it, you ride it, you tear it up. We had some time last night and yesterday and even today to go ride. Tell me what you think about the new 4-seater.
Oh man, I'm amazed by the car. The KRX 4 is amazing. It's got a lot of room in the back seat. The 2.5 live valve shocks with the adjustability on the fly is awesome. Okay. So we had a blast. We did a 3-hour run last night, 4 people in it. What I love most about this car is the stability. This thing, you can get going fast. It's not wallowy. It takes all the bumps and jumps and all the stuff really nice, especially with that adjustability on the suspension. So I'm really happy with the KRX 4. Pretty amazing. Can't wait to get my kids in there and start ripping.
How'd you feel about the power with 4 people in it compared to your 2-seater?
I mean, it's a little different because it's a little heavier. I've never really driven a car with 4 people in it, right? So that was this whole experience for me has been a first. But the KRX 4 handles it great. So I'm excited to get the family in the car.
Great. Hey, thanks a million. Good talking to you.
All right, appreciate it.
And that's a wrap. Thank you for checking out the new Kawasaki Teryx KRX 4 from MotoCity. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call at 623-777-1626 or visit us up in Anthem, Arizona at 4125 West Summit Walk Court.